What happened, bro?
I am using gesture typing keyboard, but it is misspelling some words. I wish there was a solution for it.
Oh, that's only problem.
Yeah.
We have worked on gesture-based typing in our HCI project. It will definitely help you. Let me show you. Please sit here. Our topic is enhancing gesture-based typing experience on mobile devices. We will go through these points in today's talk. First is purpose. As you and many other users are facing the similar kind of problem of inaccuracy in gesture-based typing, our purpose is to improve efficiency and user experience. We have chosen gestures which are very obvious to do. If you want to do bold, you have to do just me like gestures on screen. How can we fulfill this purpose? Use of full screen space and different types of gestures. If we use full screen of mobile to use gesture, we can increase the number of functionalities for our use. By modifying the existing keyboard to a better accurate gesture keyboard. You will say that why should I use the new keyboard while I am used to with the old one? If you start learning the new keyboard, you will start adopting the new keyboard's functionalities, and the new keyboard will also start adopting your shaping behavior. It will also help you in future experience of gesture typing. So let's see paper prototype.
This is the paper prototype. In this our paper prototype, we are in a contact screen. Now we want to call someone or something. This is our two keyboard. This is our usual keyboard, and this is our new keyboard. Now I want to call Sahil. I just use gesture and type Sahil. If there are multiple Sahil like Sahil 1 and 2, if I want to call Sahil 2, I just pass my gesture from Sahil 2. Now I have 4 options. If I stop my gesture in this area, it will automatically call Sahil 2. If I stop my gesture in this area, it will message Sahil 2. If I stop my gesture in this area, it will have to WhatsApp Sahil 2. And if I end my gesture in this area, it will automatically open mail section for Sahil 2. This icon are not showing in our app, but it will just, if a person just stop in that particular area, like in this area, it will automatically call. Like I want to call Sahil 2, I just gesture Sahil and pass through it, and it here it will call Sahil 2.
So now we are going to see software prototypes. So in software prototypes, see our first gesture feature. So now we are in our phone apps, text app. So I want to call Sahil 2. So what should I do first? I should do start typing Sahil using gesture typing like this. And if I want to call Sahil 1 or Sahil 2, let's see, I want to call Sahil 2. So I will go my gesture from here and stop here. So it will call Sahil 2. If I want to WhatsApp Sahil 2, so I will stop my gesture here. It will send us to WhatsApp. If I want to message my Sahil 2, then I will do like this. And if I want to mail Sahil 2, similarly like this. So this is our first feature. So now we are in Notes app and I want to write some notes. So let's see, we are writing formatting, and now I want to write my name is Sahil, but Sahil in bold. So what should I do? I will write Sahil using gesture typing, and I will do some gestures like this. So Sahil will be written in bold. Now I want to write Sahil in italic. So I will do some different gesture like this, and it will be in italic. And for underline, we can do some gesture like this. So Sahil will be written in underline. So now let's see our second gesture commands. And so now we want to write text in some different colors. So what we have to do for that? We have to write color using gesture typing like this, and then drag our gesture out of the keyboard like this, and from here we will end our gesture on green. Then green color will be chosen, and now whatever we will write, it will be in green. So let's see that we are writing Sahil, and it will be written in green. So now let's change the color. So we have to write color again, and then stop our gesture here, and now Sahil will be written in cyan. So as you are facing the problem with this our default keyboard, we can toggle this keyboard with our new keyboard. As so in this keyboard you can see that we have bigger hexagonal keys, so it will be less error using gesture typing, and we can talk more about it in our feedback topic.
So let's talk about the feedback. So we have asked total 5 participants, from which 3 of them are non-users and 2 of them generally use the keyboard. Okay. And if we talk about the accuracy, so we have given 20 words to them. Okay. And in standard keyboard, as you can see, the gesture users have 90% of accuracy. It's so obvious because they generally use gesture keyboards, and those who don't use gesture keyboard, they have 65%, right? In our keyboard, it was 75% and 70%, because our keyboard is new, so that's why they have very similar accuracy, right? And we have total 13 commands, as we have seen in software prototype. Out of them, the command accuracy is for our keyboard for the gesture users is 92.3, and for non-user it was 84.65. This percentage shows that this percent of time they are correct for the particular command. Okay, so the conclusion is we have received a positive feedback from our keyboard from those users whom which we are tested our keyboard, and of course they told us that it enhanced their typing experience on mobile devices by text input, so they don't have to go anywhere else to bold their word. They are just going with their flows. They don't have to go anywhere else to change the color of their text. They are just going with the flows, right? So like we can of course create endless commands using gesture typing. We can use the full screen for that, and we can extend this project to a next level. So thank you for listening me, and I hope that I solved your problem.